Aries, this is your reading for the month of May. We are going to get messages from your person and let's see what do we have here. This reading is for Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and North Node. Spirit, please give messages from your person. Okay, let's see. You give me hope. I always think you are talking to other people. I'm scared of relationships. It's over. So, Aries, I'm getting you could be dealing with someone. When you met them, they were going through some issues in their life. They could be carrying a baggage of a previous connection. I'm also getting they have been hurt in the past. This is someone who is scared of relationships. They are scared to get hurt. They are scared to get cheated on. I'm getting someone from their past has betrayed them. They have hurt them. And this is the reason that they are not very sure about you. They are very insecure, Aries, because you give them hope. They are very serious for you. They have that intense connection with you. They have actual emotions for you and they are feeling the pull towards you. But the thing is, they cannot trust you. That doesn't mean that you are the problem. No, it's their past. It's their insecurity. I'm also getting they find you very attractive, and here I feel that your vibe is very healing. Maybe you are a healer and at the same time, you are very attractive. So they are very insecure that people are dying to be with you. You always talk with other people. I'm also getting here, Aries, that you are very social, or a lot of people follow you on social media. They want to get your attention. They are very scared to lose you. And it could also be possible that they are not very expressive when it comes to their emotions because they are scared to lose you. They are scared to get hurt. They are scared of a rejection. I'm really getting a part of them is sure about your feelings. Still, they are insecure because they feel in future you may continue to talk to other people because that's your personality and they cannot handle it. They are just afraid that someone will try to take you away from their life. Like, this is completely their perspective. It's on their mind, Aries. I want to touch you. I want to feel you. Yes. And they are very attracted towards you. And I really feel the love here. March. You could be dealing with another Aries or Pisces. I'm also getting they fantasize about you a lot. Here I feel that they also think about you, and this is someone who overthinks about a certain situation. If they are doubting on this relationship, they are going to do that. Like, they are going to make scenarios on their mind and they are going to think about it. They are going to get sad over this situation. Like, it's completely their imagination and their insecurities. I miss you. They miss you. I feel they walked away from you out of their fear and jealousy, but they miss you. My family will not accept our relationship. I'm also getting it was on their mind, Aries, that there could be some differences between you guys when it comes to family. It could be a religion issue or financial issues. Maybe one day it will start again, but they are not losing hope. They still have faith that one day it will start again, that this is not over. They still feel the unfinished business with you. That's what I'm getting here. I'm ready. And they are ready. I'm getting something has happened in the month of March and they have realized it, that they really need to work on themselves. They really need to have that courage to be with you. I don't like being controlled. Yes, I'm getting they ended it because they feel they are getting dependent on you emotionally. It was not you, Aries. It was their fault. I won't even say that it was their fault, but they got emotional for you. They got attached with you. So they didn't like it. This could be someone who likes to be free, who could be a commitment phobic person, or someone who don't want that codependency in a relationship. But this time, the codependency was from their side. They needed that assurance from you that you are not going to cheat on them. You are not going to talk to other people. They will always be the one for you. Like, that's what I'm getting here. Sag could be dealing with a Sag. I'm also getting you could be having Sag moon, or you could be having Sagittarius in your chart. It could be their sign as well, but I'm getting someone here is very inconsistent. Now it could be your partner, because they leave every relationship on this thing that their family will not accept that relationship, or this is the issue in this relationship. Like, I'm getting instability from this person. Yes, they like to have fun. I'm not even saying that this is a clear energy. This is someone who is very unclear in their thoughts, who is scared, a scared person who don't want to settle down. This is their energy. What do you want from me? And now they don't know what do you want from them, because they feel now, when they have realized it, that they want you, they have no idea what you are up to, Aries. You are beautiful. Yes, they find you very beautiful, and it's not only about your looks. I feel they want to have you in their life. They are very possessive of you, and you are very dear to them. That's what I'm getting here. Virgo energy here. I'm really getting they ghosted you, Aries. They acted very closed off. They were getting distant from you, and eventually they just disappeared from your life. Maybe they made some excuse, or they just ghosted you, like they didn't even say anything and just disappeared from your life. I want you back. But now they want you back. They really want to rush in, and they are feeling that pull towards you. They are very attracted towards you at this time, Aries. You are inseparable, and they overthink about you. This is someone who is almost obsessed with you, and they feel your energy, whatever they are doing. October. You could be having Libra in your chart. Stop blaming me. So they are also a little upset that you blamed them, or they felt this way. They wanted you to realize it, that they were just scared of relationships. They really need you, they really want you in their life, but they are scared of a heartbreak. So they needed your assurance that you are not going to hurt them. I'm not saying, Aries, this is your fault or this was your responsibility. No, they really need to work on themselves, because this is their insecurity, this is their fear. No one is going to assure them 24/7 that they are not going to cheat on them. I'm also getting, Aries, they could have drained you literally when you were with them, because this is someone who don't express much. Still, they are going to let you know through their actions. They are going to act distant if they are hurt over something, or if they are doubting something. I'm jealous of your success, and they are a very jealous person. Now, if there are some financial differences between you guys, this person is very jealous that why you get everything so easily, why they have a very miserable life, or they really need to work hard for anything, but you get it very easily, or why you are so rich, or why you are not rich. Like, that's the vibe I'm getting here. They are blaming the universe. Like, this person is someone who would blame the universe 24/7 for little things. We have May here. We have 2 weeks and 3 months. And so many timing cards here, Aries. This timing could be significant for you. I'm worried at the bottom. So they are worried that you guys are not talking. You guys are at a distance. They have no idea what you are up to. And they are getting restless over you, because they are afraid that you are going to be with someone else now, or you are already dating someone else. We have Be Mine. So they really want you to just be with them and don't even talk to other people. This is their perspective, Aries. I missed the bond we shared once at the bottom. So yes, it was someone from your past. I'm getting it could be a friend as well, or someone you were seeing but never got into a relationship because they sneaked away from your life. We have abundance here. Money is going to be good, Aries, and stability is coming towards you. Okay, so whatever you were asking regarding this person and this relationship, the answer is no. We have Ring and Proposal. So they are planning to have something real with you. I'm getting it could be with this person or with someone else, Aries, but here I really feel that stability is coming towards you, and expect something significant to happen here. I'm really getting commitment here. we have fear. They are afraid of this commitment, Aries. Either they are going to accept it or they are going to get over this fear. Like, they will try, but you are going to be fine. Stability is coming towards you. I'm also getting a relationship here. They are busy in work. They are very focused on their money at present. They are unable to connect with someone else like they are connected with you. Even if they have tried to be with someone else or talk to other people, they don't feel the connection, and this is why they have realized it now that you are the one for them. For very some of you, I'm getting they could be feeling that you are out of their league. Whatever it is, it was their own insecurity, Aries. There's nothing wrong with you. They really need to work on themselves, because this person is not ready for a relationship. Can you give me one more card, Spirit? Okay, we have to. Being with you makes me feel lucky. Yes. And be ready for an open communication. Yes, they are going to open up, Aries, and you may receive a big fortune, but money is going to be good and you are going to get a good news, Aries. So expect a good news, a lot of money and stability. Also, this person is going to open up now. You could be dealing with Scorpion as well. Yes, I'm getting they were neglecting you and this person has drained you at one point. And this person could be having some addictions or it was their fear. I'm also getting they tried to sleep with other people because they really needed to move on from you, but it didn't work out. You have traveling. Eventually they are going to travel towards you. I'm also getting moving in, so either they will meet you in person or they will ask you to take this relationship one step higher. We have awareness here. They are aware now that you are the one for them. They really are very attached with you and you are very special to them, Aries. We have walking away, and they have realized their mistake, that it was a wrong decision to walk away from you or to run away from this relationship because they were afraid. Look, awareness again. So if they were involved with someone else, Aries, they are going to walk away from that relationship and they are going to let you know. We have sexual tension at the bottom. Yes, this person masturbate thinking about you and they are going through that sexual tension. Also, they are very restless. They don't want you to sleep with someone else, Aries. I really feel this person overthinks and makes stories in their mind. We have makeup sex here. They really want to be with you. Okay, so that's all I have for you. I really hope it helped, Aries. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye and take care.